Now, let's move away from the front end of the system and into the back end, where staff spend their day-to-day. Everything we've looked at up until now is customer-facing. Now we're looking at what staff will see. One of the ways to act on the data you collect in Membership Dynamics is with targeted marketing. So fast forward to after the Summit conference and see how Liam, a staff member at the Cobalt Association, leverages the momentum from the conference to campaign to non-members. The goal here is to increase membership using the data you collect, along with Membership Dynamics marketing functionality. Liam is logged into the staff interface, and because of his permissions, he sees everything in the system. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is the enterprise CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, that Cobalt membership is built on top of. It includes the modules on the left: sales, service, and marketing. Everything over here, although it may not look much different, is part of Cobalt Membership Dynamics. Membership Dynamics is just an extension of Microsoft's product. It's what makes this widely popular commercial Microsoft system accessible for associations. So now let's get back to Liam and his marketing task. Here we can see all of Liam's active marketing campaigns. Liam uses these records to structure and track the Cobalt Association's different promotions, like sponsorship for their annual summit or chapter volunteering. In this particular example, you'll see how you can use the data you collect on the front end to target non-members and promote membership. Liam set up this campaign to promote membership to summit attendees, like Simone, who aren't members yet. We can see the offer for this campaign is a series of follow-up webinars that are relevant to the conference and then, ultimately, a discounted membership. Over here is where the audience for this campaign is defined. And here, Liam and the rest of the marketing team can see all activities that have occurred so far as part of this campaign. We can see a webinar invitation went out, as well as a reminder. At the top is the latest activity for this campaign, an initial email offering a one-time 10% membership discount. The activity is still in draft. It has dates and financials associated with it, and it ties back to the same audience we saw on the campaign record. Liam can share or reuse this marketing list for different campaigns and campaign activities. It's also dynamic. So you can set up the criteria for the list. In this case, Liam set it up to include all individuals who attended the summit and do not have memberships. As people meet or don't meet this criteria, the list will dynamically update to include only the right people, so your staff doesn't have to manage ongoing updates to the list. If we go back to the campaign activity, we'll see there's an option to distribute the activity. Liam uses this to send the membership discount email. You can enter the content of his email directly or use a pre-existing template. Now, the email is sending to the appropriate individuals. We can see on this completed campaign that Liam and his team members can see every email that generates. I want to highlight the value of having a well-rounded view of your relationships with your customers and everything you can do with that in Membership Dynamics. So, because Simone filled out a profile and attended the Cobalt Association's annual summit, the Cobalt Association had data on who Simone is and what her interests are, and could better promote membership to her through this system. Now Simone has seen opportunities to get involved as a member, and when she receives this email, decides to apply.